I'd like you to be accountable, and the way I'd like you to check yourself around, and the way I want you to check yourself in is based on the way of the wolf. Okay? Which is step number 1. Okay? Intention. Okay? What intention do you have the moment you start your day? Is it intention to actually start your day with just FP or just doing it versus intention of closing? Am I clear? What's your intention right now? Okay, I want you to give yourself a score. I want you to give yourself a feedback. I want you to give yourself a personal reflection. Am I just doing it for the sake of doing it para pag nagtanong si Coach Migs, sabihin ko, ginawa ko naman? Or, no, I have a closer's mindset. I have a closer's mindset. And I am not wasting my time. I am not wasting my time. I am not wasting my time because I know I'm a closer. And as a closer, I only want to speak with the right people. As a closer, I only want to speak with people who will not waste my time. And the way I will do that is to qualify. The way I want to do that is to qualify. Are we clear? Now, the second part here of the way of the wolf that I want you to see yourself in is not just having the closer's intention, but being able to what? To master the process. Okay? Because again, hindi kaya mababa yung conversion kasi hindi pa memorize at hindi pa master yung process. What I want you to be in and what I want you to do is to start mastering the process, and the way to do that is by giving yourself what? Self-feedback. How do you give self-feedback? By actually recording and reviewing. Okay? By actually recording and reviewing. Bakit? Kasi when you record yourself and you review yourself, dun pala ako nagkamali. Doon pala ako pumalpak. Bakit meron akong na-miss out? Pangit yung sinabi ko. Ganito. I want you to be accountable and accountable and accountable by actually giving yourself feedback. And last but not the least here, with regards to the way of the wolf, is what we call momentum. Okay? And momentum here is being able to understand that your second sale, your what? Will only come after the first. Ibig sabihin, your sale loves company. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka makakatatlong benta kung hindi ka muna makakaisa. Have that one first, get that one first, get that first sale, and from there, the momentum will follow. Okay, mag 1 case count na kayo agad. Ibig sabihin, you will only have, okay, you will only have your second, third, fourth sale if you got your one. The hardest part in momentum is your first. The hardest part in your momentum is your first. The moment you've got your first, you will have your second, third, fourth, fifth, so on and so forth. Which is why if you still don't have one today, I'm telling you now, make it done agad. Regardless if how small that is. Regardless if you don't have actual income with it. Regardless if you don't have, if it's not a big case, the most important part here and the most important thing here is you've got your first, and from there, from your first, momentum will follow. Why? Because that is the way of the wolf. The moment you are what? You are not wasting your time, but by having that 10x intention of closers mindset. Number 2, the moment you master your process. And number 3, the moment you have your momentum, surely and surely and surely, I tell you, you will get all of the rewards that this business can give you. Guaranteed. It's now time to, again, have an accountability as early as now, because that level of accountability will dictate, okay? That level of accountability will dictate what kind of momentum you will have. Here's the thing, you guys are not being paid a salary for working. Klaro ba yon? Anong ibig sabihin nun? There is no nobility in your hard work. Hindi ka naging santon dahil naging hardworking ka. No. There is no nobility in your hard work. And I want you to understand that right now. Totoo. Everything else, all the rewards. Kita nyo si, again, ang example ko lang dito, si Heidelin Diaz. Kilala niyo yun yung nag-gold? Di ba nung hindi pa siya gold, walang pakialam yung mga tao sa kanya? Ngayon, nag-gold lang, may 50 million na. Anong ibig sabihin nun? There's no nobility in your practice, in your hard work. You do that because of what? You do that because you want result. Because all the rewards happen in the result. I want to address it right now. Kim Buhay, biggest takeaway here.
Yung takeaway ko dito, coach, is parang yung magbigay ka pa rin ng feedback sa sarili mo. Self-feedback pa rin is very important. Know kung saan ka nagkukulang, know how you can improve yourself, and know what you can do better sa susunod na FP mo. And more importantly, of course, pag nagko-close ka.
Thank you.
May take dito, coach, is mastery is foundational. Is kailangan talaga yun yung pinakaunang minamaster, and then the other things, yung momentum and such, will sunod na lang siya, coach.
Thank you, Mark Anzale.
Sa akin, coach, yung based dun sa mga senior mo, yung na-realize ko din is talagang puso at utak yung gagamitin mo. You have to be strategized, and at the same time, yung intention mo din talaga. Kasi maybe other people being in the space because they just want lang. Kasi okay yung culture, ganun. But ako, I learned that along the way, hindi mo i-embrace mo yung yung mission mo talaga to really help people. Tapos along the way, andun na din yung strategy. So yun yung nagwo-work siguro, and I'd like to share to everyone also.
I love it. Gusto ko iulitin yung sinabi ni Mark Anzale. What's your purpose here? Are you just doing it for the sake of doing it, or are you really having that purpose of helping people? Mark G.
Sa akin, coach, take away ko dito is set yung intention natin, and mastery, record, and self-feedback. So, para malaman natin kung saan ba tayo mag-improve pa para closer answer.
Thank you, Mika Guzman.
Mine, coach, is yung self-feedback din po. Kasi if hindi natin ina-assess yung sarili natin, same result lang yung makukuha natin. May it be positive or hindi.
Thank you, Lawrence.
Yung sa akin, coach, is about din sa intention. Kasi syempre dapat yung mindset natin, closer's mindset talaga. Hindi lang natin ginagawa yan just for the sake of work. And also, coach, yung mastery din, kasi all the tools is already out there. So master na lang sana yung process as much as possible para ma-convert na din talaga yung appointments to closes.
Why am I sharing this? I want you guys to embrace this process. I don't want you guys, babalik na naman ako ha. If you want 10 million pesos, you gotta love and transform 1 million people. Pero again, wag lang magmadali. Klaro ba yon, everyone? Kasi pag nagmadali, wala talaga tayo mapapangako. Again, wala namang nothing worth it can be gotten right away.
Correct.
Everything worth it is in the right foundations. Anything worth it is in the right foundation. Am I clear?